Hi, in today's fast-paced world, are you considering downsizing or multi-generational living? Well, today we're going to explore that a little bit more. We know with the rising cost of living, gas prices, grocery prices, all of those different things, downsizing or blending families together is definitely an option that a lot of people are considering. I hope you enjoy today the tour of this beautiful home that not only offers you the option to either downsize, or it also offers you the option for a multi-generational living at an affordable price. So let's take a look at that together. Wow, what did you think about that home? Pretty impressive, right? Well, as you see, we're in another property now. So we're gonna take a look at this one, but before we do, we're gonna talk about 4 points for multi-generational living or downsizing. So stay tuned. Point number 1, financial freedom. Downsizing can bring financial freedom, eliminating the stress of managing a larger home's upkeep. Multi-generational living offers families the opportunity to combine their financial resources. Both options can eliminate the stress of the rising cost of living. Number 2, stronger family bonds. Did you know that families who live together across generations can enhance relationships, provide support, and create lasting memories? For seniors, it can prevent loneliness that can lead to health issues. And for their adult children, taking care of the aging parent, it can relieve financial responsibility. For the younger generation, having grandparents in their daily lives provides the wisdom of having them around. Did you know that downsizing allows more available time to spend quality time with friends and family with less overall responsibility? Number 3, shared responsibilities. Everyone in a multi-generational home can share in responsibilities, from childcare, household chores, doctor's appointments, cooking, and lawn care. And there's always someone who can help those kiddos with that homework. Number 4, future planning. Multi-generational living prepares families for challenging dynamics. Whether it's a new baby in the family and the support of that extended family in the home, or a grandparent who might be showing signs that they need extra support. On the other hand, deciding to downsize before your health declines on the larger home becomes too much to handle is an excellent decision to make. Be proactive versus reactive. It's always a fantastic idea to do that. With expert insights, real-life stories, and practical tips, this channel will guide you through the rewarding journey of downsizing and embracing a multi-generational lifestyle. Don't just downsize, optimize your living experience. Subscribe now to join the conversation. Thank you.